Alright, I'm streaming. Oh yeah, but not on Discord.
You're screaming, okay.
I'm screaming.
You're streaming, you know, live stream. Should I ping?
I mean, nah, you don't really have to do that. I don't think we're yet at the point where it's still worth it.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know. Do people want to watch even though there's like nothing to really see yet?
Yes.
Well, I guess you can do a ping. Well, they have the role for a reason, I guess. So yeah, you could do a ping. Let's see. I'm starting the Zig, the StreamFIghter.
You're starting the Zig 23 runtime? Okay.
Yeah. Oh no. I watched a video today about somebody developing a similar game to Tab G, and it was pretty cool. I was like, I want to do that. They did it in Unity as well, but I was like,
oh,
we are gonna make it.
Yeah, let's make PUBG in Zig.
Yeah, exactly. You're getting it.
Yeah, of course I know.
Yeah, exactly. I've put that there. Let's do a test. I think the streamer overlay should be on. Yes, it is. Alright. So, here we are once again. Let's start code. Wow. Look at, oh, this is the wrong project. Whoops. Don't mind. This is a C++ project. Don't worry about it. Zig Game. That's what I want. Boom. Alright, where was I? Right. I think we want to... Now we got the food spawning. Now we want multiple players. I don't want to do multiple players. Okay. How do I go about that? Let's just say you can have a maximum of how many players? We will have to change
10.
all of these things. How do I store player in the actual database? It's an entity, right? Config spacetime, let's see. This is the entity table. We have a circle table. Maybe I need to change my shits to circles. Maybe. There's the food. The player here. The player has an ID, name. Yeah, so they have an speed, a direction, but not a position. No, they do. This is the circle. I'm stupid. With a lot of other cool things. Well, I think I'm only concerned about this for the moment. I'm not even gonna care about anything else. So what we're gonna do is, instead of having this food struct like that, we're gonna have a player struct. Wow. Player. Right? Hello, Peppa. And this will change a lot of things because, well, wait, how do I do this? And fuck! I was trying to be smart. But this is how we'll do. We'll have this, and then we'll change this, and we'll just say players, right? And I will just say player. We could have this, I guess. Let's just say tab for simplicity. And then we can say player count. Like so. I'm not really sure how we'll connect. Rust spotted. Welcome. Oh wait, why am I in the corner down at the... What the fuck is my setup? Yeah, we do Rust now apparently. It's for the database. I had no choice. They had me, you know. And then I was sad. All right, so I don't know how to go about this, to be honest. Do I even care about the direction of... I just care about the position. Like, the server cares more about the direction when you press a button. But do I care about that? Like, do I need to store the information that you pressed a button? I don't think I do. Do I want to? Well, I guess if I want to do lerping, I have to know the direction and you're trying to move. But for now, I'm not gonna be concerned about that. I'm just gonna be concerned about a player can move their position, right? So we will not be concerned about direction. Well, I need to know the direction. Fuck, I'm retarded.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's do the direction as well, I guess then. I wanted to do a few changes also to the code because we already know from here that I will do a for loop food count. Can I do a ternary operator here? Because I want to see, can I do state dot foods len? Yes. I want to use the smaller one. Can I do that? I will just say const smallest food count is equal to if I'm gonna take this from here. This is smaller than that. Question mark if it's true, then we do this, else we do state dot foods dot len. Right, this is how do you do ternary in Zig again? Is it like, do I just say if this?
Yes.
And
Or you have to put the if statement in parentheses.
Then
Else is instead of the colon.
okay.
Bam.
Smallest. Boom. STD math min might be better idea. I ain't using no math. I ain't using no standard library function stuff. That's for smart people. I ain't one of those.
Don't use std math min.
Yeah, that's.
Use admin.
Oh, there's an admin house. Oh my god, damn. No way, brother.
There actually is. But there is no at max int, then you have to do stdmath.maxint, which I think is stupid.
Hmm. Well, that's way better. Even better, exactly. Holy moly. Now that's crazy. Now we will have also a similar case for the players. We'll do this. We can yeah, we can do the same. So we will take here at min from state player count len. Yes, and then what we'll do, I will close that one real quick, is that, can I just do this? I will just, usize does not support field access. Wait. Wait, how stupid am I? Can I not do that actually? Okay, it works for this one. What's the difference between these two? They are actually the exact same thing. Players. Okay, so then we'll pass the buffer. And now here we will take state player I dot x, yeah, players that, and let's see, right, this one has to be y, and then it's probably because it's expected type I found. Okay, is player food actually just a pure int? Wow, there should also be floats, to be honest. But yeah, we're just gonna do this. It's fine. Okay, so that should draw, and now the food is supposed to be blue. The players, I like to have them red, like so. Now I need to I'm subscribed. I already got the whole entity list. Now I just need the players, and then I also need to, instead of sending the updates through the client, they have to be sent to the database, the base. But how the fuck does that work? Like, how do they do it in the example? Because since color is pixel and init object returns pixel, you can just do init object instead of pixel. Way cleaner. Also, you can use RBG. I have no idea why you use hex. What? I can use RBG? What do you mean use RBG? I am confusion. You mean just this? I mean, you can use binary instead of. So you mean instead of doing this, I would just do B. Wait, how do you do 0B? 1 1 1 1 1 1 like this? 1 1. Hello, Sir Bozo. No, not binary. I forgot what it is. You mean decimal? I prefer hex when it comes to colors.
Nuh-uh.
Yes.
Don't.
I do.
No. Well, thankfully my math library is so good it supports both.
That's crazy, bro.
So, it supports.
Let me just redirect you to somebody who cares. Hello.
I got roasted today.
Belara.
Damn.
Hope your coding is going well today. I think it's going well so far until Harold starts speaking, and then it wasn't good anymore.
Yeah, then it wasn't good anymore.
Lucas Matlib. Damn. No, Harold is not your math library that supports both hex and decimal. It's Zig. Exactly.
Ooh, yeah, exactly. It's not my math library, it's Zig. You see, Zig is so good.
It just came with it.
Yeah, of course.
Alright, let's see. But that should be pretty much it. You don't need to do anything extra to support text as well. I'm not joking. Yeah, no, yeah. It's you could even do you could do binary even if you wanted to, you know.
I don't think you guys understand what I mean with hexadecimal. Like, you can have colors that are like a U34 in my math library.
Well, that's crazy, bro. I have only U8.
Well, you can use U8, F32, F16. You can use anything.
Can I use a prime number?
Yes.
Can I use 65,000?
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Because it's like per element. So like your red would be like 69,000.
Damn, that's like super big. Anyways, I
Yeah,
like my
no,
colors
the
in
max viewing is
octal.
actually
Oh,
9999.
oh, octal. I mean, octal is not that bad. Wait, hex to octal. How? Isn't it actually like? Oh my god. Kotal. Yes.
Kotal.
Mm. But you still write. How do you write it? Wait, octal. It only goes up to 8, right? Or
Yes,
7,
because
actually, you
it's called octal, you
yeah.
know. What? Yeah, because minus 1,
Yeah,
because 0.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but it's like 10, I mean, 8 different things. But, you know, Lucas, hear me out, it's called octal, you know. Do you know what oct means?
Tell
Can be.
Yeah, it actually means 11.
Oct?
Yeah. Yeah, it means 11.
No.
No,
Bro,
totally that's so.
Yo, who does this JSK guy think he is? Yeah, he prefers his fucking values in octal. Like, that's just messed up. At least it wasn't a prime number. Is there like a base where you would do it in 7? Like, imagine that. That would be crazy, bro.
No.
No, I don't want to imagine that. Okay, but now I'm thinking like I have to change this up a little bit. The clients, right? You have the, let's say, I don't even know if I want to think 2 clients. I'm just gonna think of 1 client still. They will have to send an input that they moved to the server, and the server will send back the actual position of all of the entities, or the ones that they're subscribed to. That's an E, by the way, not a C. I'm being online bullied.
Me? Wait, is it a growing one?
It's a growing E. I'm being bullied online bullied. Yes, that's life.
I guess you gotta stop with it.
Oh.
You can't bully people like that, okay? If you're going to do it, you have to do it through Reddit, okay?
Through Reddit, yeah, like, come on, at least keep it professional here.
Exactly, like at least.
you gotta be able to have a mask on.
Yeah, exactly. And also, you shouldn't bully people. You should just talk. To
Can we ban Sin Broso from the chat? He's saying very, very bad. He's spreading hatred.
Oh no, what is he saying?
Rage baiting is not allowed. He says C++ is superior to Zig in every way. I don't know.
Every way, even OOP. Yeah, I mean C++ OOP is so much better than Zig somehow. That's true though.
I read some
doesn't
C++
exist.
code today and I wanted to blow my brains out. I was like, oh my god.
Yeah, I looked at some C++ and it was worse than I could ever imagine. And teacher also showed me like a function declaration. Like, what the hell was I looking at? It was the entire Bible.
Sig does not even have OOP. Okay, now he's just rage baiting at this point. That's...
Yeah, rage baiting. Yeah, but you know what you don't have in C++? You have nice switch cases. That's right.
Yo, T-Chef, what's up?
Yo, teacher.
The T-Chef?
Yeah, the T-Chef. No, nobody else. It's the T-Chef.
Nine, es ist das T-Chef.
Das T-Chef. I see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's actually their T-Chef, but you
Their-
know, it's fine.
At least I'm not Sig programmer.
No, you're
Yeah, be back.
you're not a Sigurd, you're a
Hey, yo, what?
Say something?
The Council of Ni, you know?
The council.
But what are they called?
I don't know.
The
council.
Holy
Yeah.
Grail Ni.
This one again.
They who's...
Who are you? We are the knights who say...
the Knights who says Ni.
Hope they are not a clan.
But at least they are not wearing. Imagine if they were actually wearing white, like.
No. Think about the guy they're speaking to also. You look at the, you know, the beautiful colors.
Mm. But for real now, I need to figure out this thing that. Am I supposed to register the moving from the client is supposed to say to the server that I'm wanting to do doobie movement, right? I think I didn't read this part yet of the thing. Yes. Oh, yeah. They added a math util. And then what did they do with that mod? What the fuck? Oh, modules for okay, now I see. Next, add the following reducer to your librs. So update player input. Here's the beauty. Here's the thing. This is the thing, where they take the reducer context, the direction, and I don't know what the fuck else is here. But then they get the player identity find. Okay. And then mutate the circle. I don't have the whatever. I don't care really. Normalize direction, magnitude, clamp, circle, and then they just do the thing. And then here, move all players. Okay, so this is like a schedule update. So, what the fuck? So they just put the direction that they don't update it yet. But in here, I assume that they will do. Move all players. They go for each of these. Yes. And then introduce, yes, they call that, they update, and then they create a new bindings, and then all the, wait, I just assumed, yeah, that's what they do. All the left is to modify the player controller, yes, and in here, update player input. Let's see, key down. Wait, what the fuck? Local player, get key down. Lock input vector, they, okay. And then here, game manager reducer update player input. So when we create the bindings, they will now be there. Lucas, can you press this ask anything button? I'm interested. A slot button, true. Wait, ask anything button? Where are you seeing this ask? Oh, that thing. Hi, I'm trying to. Oh my god, I should be using this thing. Wait, you guys can't even see my beautiful faces in the way. Like, boom, look at that. Hi, I'm an AI assistant trained on documentation, help articles, and other content. Technology. He hasn't seen it. How do I get started? How do I make a input for move? I'm just gonna write something crazy and see what it does. How do I make an input for movement registration on my... Your Linus tool.
You are learning.
Let's see if it can even comprehend my stupid question. Okay. Well, I think I could probably ask the question way better. This is just stupid. But anyways, this is what I need from the whatever the fuck this is. This is the Unity tutorial. Lucas found another AI. How make game? Okay, wait, that I want to do. How I'm gonna make game. How make game? Man, I'm being distracted by not what I'm supposed to be doing. Create me game, no hallucinating, write best code on level.
Let me ask you, how many errors have you had today?
I haven't even compiled yet, I don't know.
Circa. Yeah, exactly. And how many AIs have you opened today?
One. With 2 prompts.
How many are you going to open?
Probably like 1/2.
No, you'll open this one, then grow. Then I don't know, Rockstar AI or some shit.
Rockstar. Don't forget Hans GPT. That one is the best one.
Oh yeah, and also Harold GPT.
Yeah, Harold G. Well, that one only sends you code that doesn't compile.
No, it does compile with C23 though.
I'm just a bit behind, I guess. I'm just gonna go here and then in the source, I'm gonna new file, Matt Rust, like so, put it in there. Bam! Now we
Just
got.
make some Python script that can do it for you.
Can we ban this guy? He said the P word.
Damn, Harold used Python
True,
earlier,
but
maybe
you know
like
what?
an hour ago.
Yeah, I used it today actually. It was actually very useful.
Hans is a GPT proxy, let's be
Like
real. I don't know, man, like, I have never seen Hans use AI except for bullying it. That's the only time I've seen him use it.
You see, Hans actually writes production code, so
Yeah,
you know,
actually, for
he,
real.
he doesn't use AI.
That's true, that's true.
Yeah, he's a good.
Lucas actually prompted me a few weeks ago. His GPT to customize to an. I actually prompted Hans. I did it. I literally wrote him a message that was literally the same message I would ask an AI. What? Hans, what the
And you
hell?
were like, please help me. You are Linus Torvalds.
You are
How do I add two numbers together in Rust?
How do I
Please
center a?
fix this now.
How do I? How do I center a
Technology
div
type.
in Zig?
In Zig.
Yes.
Yes. Good question.
At the very top of your following, import the move.
How do I center a function in Zig?
How do I center a function in Zig?
Yeah, you know, in the center of the file.
Yes. But now I don't need. If I go to the. Wait. Can I go to. Bruh, why does nothing shit work, brother? Here we have this thing, so we basically move this away from here because otherwise we will have some funny. Fuck! Alright. He literally sent me this. Oh no. But now he's gonna send the beautiful prompt I asked. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. This is gonna be fantastic. It's fun because I'm not using circles, I'm using squares for my thing because I don't know how to do circles. You know, circles are weird. They are not squared. They are
Quite
like,
advanced.
they have like this weird shape, you know? You know, we don't want those shapes. We want it to be squared. Could you upgrade this sentence? Message deducted for privacy. To take the examples that are more extraordinary and explain it in a good way. Keep it short. Max 3 examples. That was literally the message I sent him. It was so funny. And I think you literally responded with like, are you prompting me or what did you say? Anyways, we're gonna need this function or this reducer. Where do I start with the reducers? I don't even remember. Here. So we have the init, we have the spawn food. I'm just gonna add it right below there. Didn't remember to tell Hans to stop hallucinating in his answer. Yeah. Next time I need to tell him to stop hallucinating. SMH. Technology. Yeah. Hans is the one who convinced me to do this project. But it's a pretty cool project, and I think that once we actually get, like, there's a lot of things still that has to be discovered. But once we do get this, I am pretty strong believer in that we will have a great time. Why the fuck is my... making games. That's, I believe it. With 122.456789%. Plus
Bad
minus 1.
Mistake.
Wasm disappointed me so much. Yeah, Wasm is the only issue here, but Wasm is also like that thing is
Wasm
gonna.
bad. I told you guys, and no one listened.
But we don't want to listen to you. Anyways,
Okay, that's fair.
Wasm is the only problem here, and I would like to not have that and just make a normal Zig client. But then again, this is gonna help to get people more involved and help debug shit. So we're gonna use this for now. But it's okay. It's okay. Anyways, this is a bit interesting because we're gonna go through circles. Yet I don't have circles, but I'm not gonna care because I'm gonna treat those circles as squares. I don't care. Then, next thing is this. Start player speed. I don't know if I'm gonna be caring about acceleration or whatnot. I'm just gonna have movement. What are we using Wasm for again? Is it... Yes. It's it's on the browser, so you can the client is on the browser. The client can also be, we have it so you can also play it locally on a platform here, but yeah. It's written in TypeScript, React, so I don't want to show the code.
Yeah.
You wanna cry when you see it. Exactly. People play easily, yeah. Let's see. This is just a schedule, basically. Let's see. Where do I want? I would like to put it at the same where we also have the timer for food, which is over here. Boom. And then, I don't know if... I'm just gonna put it here because it's associated with it. Mass to movement speed. Well, I don't have mass, but I guess we can still take it. And then move all players. Boom. I guess that I could put with the spawn food. So they come next to each other. Player input, spawn food. Can put it here. Boom. And then here, add the following to the init. We're gonna do it. We're gonna put it in the init, like so. And then it's, yeah. Let's do this. I think I need 3 terminals, and then we need 1 browser. Just gonna put these ones like that, yes. Bruh. It's fine. So we're gonna go to project, YouTube, Zig. That's good enough for now. And let's see, I think it's still called quick chat. It's pretty funny. Actually, I'm just gonna put this one here and then make it a bit smaller because this one will be the space-time start. Oh no! And yeah, we can run the client on this one, I think makes sense. But shit! Fuck!
But shit.
But shit. Oh yeah, I don't even initialize any players right now. Ha! This is not gonna be funny. Whatever. I don't care. I'm cool. I don't care. Anyways. We'll have this, so we'll do this. CD server. Paste that there. Boom. Fuck. What is the problem? There's a lot of warnings. Unused import reducer. That's okay. Unused import. Unused. That's okay. That's okay. Valuable food is assigned to but never used. Okay, okay. It's okay. More information about this. Could not compile spam due to previous to one
No.
previous error. Yo, what's up?
Yo.
Where's the error? Ah, this thing. Can I find valid place in this scope?
Yes.
That's weird.
Look at my camera and wait the food.
Wait.
That's a solid
You can put it
6
on
out of
food.
10.
How does it not?
Up.
No. That's weird.
Look,
Our players start mass. Ah, well then it makes sense. Because it's from here. Then I guess I will just move this from here, put it down here instead. Because it's fine. Boom. Let's see.
Lucas,
Hmm?
have you watched my camera?
Wait, where are you? Oh yeah, I see. Yo, those
Fire.
eggs. You got eggs?
I got chicken, eggs. Bro, there's everything you need.
Yeah, what else do you need than chicken and eggs? Basically the same animal in different stages.
Yeah.
Hid.
I'm eating the whole swap chain, bro.
Bruh. Must have with
You're eating
a
a
similar
swap
name
chain?
exists start speed. What a help? A constant with a similar name exists. Start player speed, start player mass. Why would that be an issue? Bruh. Ah, wait, there is no player start mass. Ah, okay, now I see. Start player. Is it provided from here? Or where does this one come from? I don't have it. Or is it have... Ah! There it is. Let's take it up here with the other. Alright, yes. Delete everything. Go away. Bye bye. Bam. Now, let's see. We'll do the next thing. So we added this. We added that. We need to redo this. No file or directory error. What? Wait, what? Could not format generate files. No such file or directory. Am I in the wrong spot? Build success. It says successful, but I don't know about these two errors though. Let's see if I do one dot spacetime. No, it has to be in here. So maybe it did do it. Let's see. We can actually check in here and see if we have a what am I trying to find? Player input. Circle, connect, disconnect, entity, food, logged, player table, spawn food. What the? No, I don't think it got client Unity. Oh. It's probably did this. Yes, okay. My bad. My bad. My bad. Oh, I'm so stupid. I need to change. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, what? What? I did this completely wrong. Oh no. This one, oh no, this one is also wrong. Oh no, it's supposed to go quick chat. Quick start chat. Yes. Okay, way better. Now we can take this thing and regenerate your bindings. That is just out. And do I have to do... Fuck do I know? I don't know. I don't remember. Let's open up the quick chat and just see. It's the quick start TypeScript. Lucas, make it so Lucasbot automatically notifies about streams. I guess I could, but I don't want to touch that bot anymore. I guess I
The
could.
rule around here is if you want a feature for it, you implement it yourself because we ain't touching it.
Yeah, you can make a PR.
Yeah, so get back to work.
Let's see. There should be generate bindings. Let's see, generate here. This is what I want to do. And not what they have here, because yes, C#, okay, I should have read that also a bit clearer, but it's okay. And then we can also do it from here instead. Like so, boom. Now, look at that, we got them. So, yeah, okay. Okay. Then we can continue with this. Let's see, move on to the client. Now the client side, which will be the beautiful TypeScript. Yummy. There. Oh god, I don't wanna. Oh. Okay. So we got... I have to change the logic. Do I still want... No, I don't want to. Or do I want on the client side take in the inputs? Probably not. You should rewrite Lucasbot in Zig once they get async IO. Oh yeah. Actually, for real. Lucasbot 2. I know. Let's see. Here, inputs. So now when we have this update, so we have used to pass in this thing, but now we will not even sync the inputs, because the inputs will literally just be a they will be managed. You send the input to the server will do the thing and send you the state of where you are. So yeah, we'll always have... I should actually just remove it, but I think it's easier to do this for now. Because maybe I'm wrong. Maybe we still need to do some calculations on the client with the input. I don't know. I think they do it here. I'm not sure. Anyways. Yeah, they do have some sort of throttle input request. Yeah, so here they do something. But I'm not gonna care about it. I'm just gonna be like, lol, connection to... I'm just gonna go...
You guys wanna hear something sad?
Yes, sure.
Percent.
Okay, so this isn't actually about your life, Lucas. This is even sadder. Which is that I got an error that my main function for my shaders were defined 2 times, and I was like, what do you mean? But it was because I was trying to pass in 2 vertex shaders.
SMH.
Yeah.
Dot. Let's see, db dot. Reducers? How do I get the reducers? Reducers there, boom.
Harold, it's still crazy that you fixed my bug like in, I don't know, 3 minutes.
Yeah, it's because I have so many bugs because of my coding style that I notice exactly what to do.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
I've
you
never,
should see me program sometime.
I wouldn't even think about not my program being fault, you know? Like how unsafe it is.
Yeah, well, you know, you never know. That's what I know about.
The fuck is... The fuck is...
You-
The fuck? No. This is just... I'm supposed to pass in a... Let's see. Yeah, db vec2. Can I don't know how this works. Do I just say direction colon db vect? Is this how it works? I'm not really sure, to be honest. No? How does this work in this language again? Expected a colon? What? I don't know this language. It's crazy. It cannot be this. Nah. The fuck? How do I do a vector 2 in this? Is it AI time? Oh, you just say, okay. So x colon y colon like this. Ah, look how happy. Why don't you use NeoVim and why don't you use proper theme? This theme sucks. No, shut up. This theme is amazing. I don't know what you're on about.
No, what is the film sucks, Lucas?
Wait, what? It's not assignable to the parameter. Ah, it wants the reducer event context. Do I have the context here? What is the context? What the fuck? They don't pass any fucking context, bruh. Expected one argument but got two. But brother, I don't want to. No, this is the wrong context. This is not the context that I'm supposed to. I want to pass argument of is not assigned to parameter context. Now it seems to be taking in two. But I don't know. Oh wait, is it? What is context in this case? Identity? Okay, I need to read what the fuck does this actually do. Update player, context, reducer context, and then the direction. Can I... What is the... I still don't get it. What's the context? Okay, let's see. What the fuck do we do over here? Reducers. Here on message... No. Well, I guess it is reducers on message. They just... nope. Set name, new name. That should be enough. I shouldn't have to be concerned about anything else. Why is it not allowing me to do my shit? Bro, what the fuck? Why do you want the fuck? I don't know what the fuck that is. It doesn't even use the context anywhere. I think it's broke. Oh, like, what? What is? Well, I guess here it needs the context for sender, right? But I still don't even know what is that context. User context interface. Okay. Oops. Context. Let's see. Event context. No, I'm sorry for some error. Event. Okay. On message. Let's see. E. Here now. Not submit. Message. Well, that's too many things to read. Shit pants. Or just name. I think the name was already like, yeah. Is that the context somehow? Settings. Sender name. Here, let's see. No, it's not that still. Here, set name. I want to figure out, like, where does this thing come from? Because it somehow needs to have the context, right? And all it does is... I have no idea. Goes to pass in a context. That be. And let's then provide problem your code is calling yes. Method yes. On update, but you cannot. What? Sees both context and direction. What? No, wait. This thing is. Am I calling the wrong function? Isn't this one supposed to... Oh! Update player input. On update player. Okay, now I see why I'm retarded. Why did nobody tell me? Huh?
We just assumed.
Yeah, stop assuming. I'm not smart, alright? Now we can use these ones also. Let's actually just say that all players just start to move directly to the X positive direction, right? That's if we can get that, then we can see stuff happening, right? Then it will send that away. But how do we actually get on the, let's see, it's overlapping. I'm not concerned about that. Move all players. I'm not concerned about collision. I'm concerned about just seeing anything happen. Don't really care about that. Okay, all I want to know is that I want to update the player movement when it actually happens. That they don't talk about over here. Fuck pants. Shit, do I actually have to create a whole function just to connect with that? Nah, no fucking way I have to do that, bro. I would just like to send a data type be something. And how is it supposed to know which player it's talking to? Ah, this is fun. You know what? We will just... When a player connects... I don't even have a way to... I don't even have a way to connect them. I'm a few steps ahead of myself. Fuck. I need. Ah, no, I don't want no. Fuck, I need to do it. Okay. Because right now what I got is okay. Let's we got this client, right? And then we have the server. When you connect, the server is like, nice, we got a player. It sends back the entity update thingy. But the client still have no fucking clue what the fuck that is. It just knows that there's supposed to be food. That's all the client knows. But it doesn't know anything about the players. So I actually have to create... Oh no! I have to create a spawn player. Could maybe create a spawn entity. Doesn't have. Well, then it would have to know to what array that adds. Well, if I just had an entity array, yeah, okay, yeah, then that wouldn't be an issue. Man, we need to make this actual ECS now. Boy. Well, it's still relatively simple, but an ECS would just make it to have one function called to insert new entities rather than having... Now I need a function to insert a player, I need a function to insert his food. If I'm gonna add something else, I need a new one for that. Instead of always when I insert something new, it would just always just be entity. Well... Yeah, and then you could also provide like what components it needs, so I guess you wouldn't have to be concerned about anything really. But you see, these are the things that are nice when you run into these problems where you see that you need a solution. Now it's chest and back tomorrow at the gym. That's my Hakuna Matata realization right now. And I still don't have that memory arena. One problem at a time. Fuck, I don't even have that. Oh, no. Okay. There's a few things that we need to do. First of all, these things don't exist. So this doesn't exist at all. Bit of a yikes. To be honest, but that's okay. And we're gonna have... Wait, what am I doing? Bro, what am I doing? Do I have to? I don't remember. No, it is like this. And then we'll just say input, like so. We'll just, completely ignore everything in the update right now. And if I compile this, let's see, cd.dot Zig build run. Yes, it's perfect. Because there shouldn't be any players. If I spawn food, that will spawn food, but that's okay. That means this, and then we can go in here and we can do Zig build dash d, no, d, what was it, d target equals wasm freestanding? Was it this? I don't remember. Wasn't freestanding, was dash dash? Brother, how did I compile? Zig build. How do this? Let's see. Zig build target freestanding. Optimized. No. It should be Zig build. The thing I first wrote. Oops. The following freestanding. Oh my god! For real? Wasn't that what we wrote yesterday? Target. No. What did we write yesterday to actually compile to WebAssembly? Wasn't it this?
Can't remember.
Brother, I actually have to go watch my old stream. Let's see. Let's see live. Bruh. Why? I cannot remember actually, what the fuck? What did I write to compile it? I forget it every time. It's so annoying. I never write it down. Freestanding wasn't Zig build that should be it. I don't remember anything else. In Zig, how do I compile for compelli? Yes, for wasn't. But that should still. Target, no. The target should be that. This should be it. Wasn't 32 freestanding? Yes. This should be it. Unless if it's no. Because this is totally wrong, that I know. 1 dash. The following failed. Wait, unrecognized argument. Unable to parse unknown architecture. Am I doing a typo? Do I need to put wasn't freestanding? It doesn't. Wasn't 32. Yes. Bruh, thanks. Oh. Let's do that, replace, okay. Now I'm actually gonna take this, write it down, so next time I will have it. Zig build H, by the way. What is that? Ah, yeah. Okay. But this should now, if you connect with a player, it shouldn't do shit. Yeah, it shouldn't do shit. That's what it should do. Well, it should start spawning food. That's the only thing that should happen. Run, and then we go source. No, source. Right, source, index, ts. And then we're gonna take this, this. Cannot read properties of null. Wow. What do you mean? What do you mean? It says spawn food though, that's pretty cool. Error could not detect language. But it should find it. Cannot read properties of null. Reading reduced. Unless if context is unknown, that's true. Or connection. But connection should not be a... Yeah, it should be there. Wait, let me just... If con... Well, that's interesting. Unreachable. Well, that could be a Zig problem, actually. Let's see. Game. Draw. Let's draw cube. Then you go in here. You have a player count, player len. Takes the minimum of player count. Starts at 0, right? Yeah, both of them start at 0. But then you take 0 and there is no such... Wait, no, for 0... Yeah, no, then it shouldn't even start. Unless if there is a player. Player len, player count, food count, food... What the fuck? What the hell? There shouldn't be any issues because the logic is still like... You have this... I need to do this. I should get the... Here, this is what I want. Boom! So we're back to this. But now there's no players being connected. I still need to... Oh yeah, you can't see shit. Shit. But we have the capacity at least for having players. So I think I will do it tomorrow. It's getting late and my chest and back day is tomorrow. I'm hit it. And I'm gonna do some maths. But it's looking the same as it did yesterday, except for now there's no player at all.
Small steps.
Small steps. A few steps back, and then we'll take even a few more steps back, and eventually we'll get there. Now this is fantastic. But I think we've made some improvements. Learn a little bit more. It's pretty good, it's pretty good. Alrighty. To the whole whopping 2103 viewers. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow... Great success, exactly. Tomorrow we'll get the actual multiplayer, right? I'm pretty confident in that.
Sure.
We'll at least get some. Oh, my screen is shitty. All right, we'll get at least that I can connect with multiple players and have them move. I think that will happen tomorrow. All right. Good night. Bye bye.
Good night.